What's up, everybody? Nell.tv here, and in celebration of the 5th anniversary of Dokkan Battle, we have the 5th anniversary Gogeta, and on top of that, we have the Dokkan Battle collab of Super Saiyan 2 Son Goku, Majin Vegeta, and on top of that, we have the Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Vegeto. This is new to this channel. Usually I do cards, but I recently started getting these statues, and this is awesome as well, and especially because it's the 5th anniversary of Dokkan Battle. I just want to show everybody this is legit, bitches. Oh, this is awesome. What? Look at this. Look at this. Okay.
He looks like
an angel.
No, he looks like what happened to Frieza when he ran into Goku and he got cut in half.
You mean Trunks?
No.
You mean Trunks?
No, when he ran into Goku, he got cut in half by his own thing. Remember?
Oh, yeah, you're right. This is the base, I guess. And then... Oh, shit. This is the...
This is the Dragon Ball.
This is a really big knife. This is a big knife.
Dude.
Whatever. Fuck it.
Is he dead? Cause
well, he's split in half. I think this might be his baby wipe to wipe his butt.
That's his martial arts belt. Hobby.
Oh, it is. Oh, it's his. Okay, yeah, it's his belt.
I think that's a martial arts belt. I don't know.
Oh, I thought it was for when he wipes his butt. Okay.
Dude, look, well, there's a hole right there.
Oh, this is. I didn't.
That is chicken nuggies.
Yes. Yes. So there's a key here to put him in place. And then there's another key for his little, what should I say?
His little belt, martial arts belt.
Yeah, his little, satchel? No, that's not a satchel. That's a...
belt?
It's a sexy belt. It's a blue belt. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh, this is... Wait, he looks awesome. And then... So, after I assemble everybody, I am going to show them in their full poses. And then there's his other toesies, but this one's not going in. And that one popped out. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm new. This is new to me. I usually do cards. I never do figures. Yeah, and then this goes here. So we're going to show the full everything, all of it. Bear with me.
Now we have Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Vegeto. There isn't.
Oh, I cut that one.
Oh. Well, at least I don't have to use a knife. Alright, we have the platform. Ooh. Yay. We got Gogeta. So now we gotta take his legs out, hoping they don't run away. And we gotta put them together. Again. Who did this to him? It was, wait, it couldn't have been Frieza. Wait, it probably could have been because they brought him back to life. Okay, we gotta open this now. Alright. Okay, now we gotta put him on the platform. I think this is how it goes. There we go. Voila. Look at the detail on that. It's almost like he's giving you a nice big hug.
Majin Vegeta. This is part of the Dokkan Battle COLLAB. So there's a couple pieces to this guy. There's like lightning bolts to him. See that? Yep. Authentic. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Let's cut out Vegeta. Set him there. This is awesome. Now I have to find out where all these little slivers go. I think that one's one. Okay, well. Alright. This Vegeta is fucking awesome, seriously. I have to watch where I grab him because he's got these powers, like his you know, all over. Oh, there's one underneath. That's where it goes. I didn't even see that. There we go. Boom. Okay. I think I got it. Oh, wow. This is awesome. He's actually really sweet. Don't mind me. I've never done a unboxing of of the toys, or I should say, this is not a toy by any means. It is a statue. I usually do unboxings of cards. Okay, here we go. And we have Majin Vegeta.
Okay, last but not least, we have Super Saiyan 2 Goku. Let's hope he doesn't poke me with his magical glue things that are wrapped around him. Okay. We got him out. Yay. I forgot that he was dead when this thing was going on.
What, you mean the halo? So this entire thing was going on when, so his halo...
Majin Buu. This is the Majin Buu part.
No, it was after. It was after Cell. It was after Cell. But you're right. You are correct. It was.
The stand is big. Okay, now we got the thing to hold him up. Next, we gotta get him out. Don't Kamehameha me. Here's his spikes of death. And then his halo.
You have to make sure you put the right ones in where.
We don't need that anymore. Okay, where does... Oh, I see it.
Goku's halo.
He's a pretty angel. And now we gotta put them together. And now his shards of doom. I know there's some on his shoulders. This one goes here.
There's one that goes around his knee. You got it? Yep.
This one?
There's one that goes in the
here,
back.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah, they wrap around him.
This is cool. I like it. Okay.
Oh,
then
he's
this one-
awesome.
Okay. And then this one goes here. Huh? I think the piece. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, there we go. Did the piece fall off of him? Because, like, there's... I'm
Here.
confused.
I think that spike goes in his back.
That's what I tried to do. This spike right here?
Yeah. I think you're putting it in the wrong angle.
No, I'm putting it in the right angle.
No, it's gotta go. It comes around. Yeah, like that.
Now we gotta put this on his cheek.
His bungholio. His rear end. His ass.
What? Wait, why won't it go in? So I put it in all by myself because I'm awesome. And that's the truth. Now we gotta put him on a stand. And now he's flying. And we got the whole set complete.
5th anniversary Gogeta. He's gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. He comes with his own little stone. Dokkan Battle, 5th anniversary. Boom. Look at this. Look at this bad boy. Look. This is awesome. His hair, everything about this is sweet. Boom. And then we have Vegeto. Look at him. Ready to give you a big fat kiss. the detail on these statues are awesome. You know, for the longest time, I didn't collect these, and I'm so happy that I do. Look at that. Super Saiyan 2 Goku, Angel. The detail on these guys are awesome. Seriously. Boom. And last but not least, my personal favorite, Majin Vegeta. Look at this bad boy. The detail on these guys are sweet. Seriously. I just started collecting these guys, and I'm very, 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 very happy. Very happy.